online. So teachers, tuko pamoja, msione na wapatia competition. It's because of my love for education. Because were it not education, I would have never come to Nairobi in the year 2007. Were it not for education, I would have never gone to the University of Nairobi. Were it not for education, I would have never been a member of parliament. And were it not for education, I would not be standing here today with you teachers. And therefore, for me, my love for teachers will forever be at 100%, will be at optimum. To the teachers, the love that we have for you in this society, we know very well how much we love you. You are the architects of the society. You not only build education, you not only build knowledge, but you also build character. And you build characters, you build people in this nation. Teachers, you manage our questions with patience. You manage our mistakes with compassion. And you manage our growth with pride. And therefore, we love you and will continue loving you. Teachers don't just cut the trees in the jungles, but teachers irrigate the soil of the mind. And because of teachers, we have any professional in any profession, all of them in this world, because of teachers. Were it not for teachers, we would not be having doctors today. Were it not for teachers, we would not be having teachers today. Were it not for teachers, we would not be having serious business personalities, journalists, and the Babus of this world. And therefore, the role a teacher plays in the society is so big. Yet, teachers have been used, misused, and abused. And teachers have been used, misused, and abused because of lack of respect for teachers. Teachers are disrespected by the government. Teachers are the least earning civil servants in this country. Yet teachers are training other professions. When you look at our education system, the teachers who went to State House are only 10,000. If you want to know that there is disrespect, yet we have over 400,000 teachers in this country. Mr. President, if you are genuine about teachers, the teachers who never received their 10,000 shillings, send them M-Pesa today.